Hello, good morning students. This is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, I welcome you to online classes students. As you all know, we are making a revisional video for your upcoming examination, and in the series of revision from last 2 days, I have brought practice set for you, and in the series of practice set, today I have brought practice set 3, that is based on chapter 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so let us start students from the question number first, that is match the following type question. Okay, your question number first is match the following. You have to match from column A, match the following. Okay, first is first generation language. Okay, second is binary numbers. Third is range. Fourth is autofill, and fifth is formula, and sixth is function. Okay, and you have to match with the column B. First is C11 ratio D12 and is equal to A1, B1, C1, and third option is machine language. Fourth option is built-in formula. Fifth option is predefined series, and sixth is 0 and 1. Okay students, this is the question number first. You have to match the following from column A to column B. Look at the question. Question number first is match the following, and here you can see column A and here is column B. You have to match with the proper sequence. Question number first generation language. Students, फर्स्ट जनरेशन लैंग्वेज में मशीन लैंग्वेज, ठीक है, यूज किया जाता था, उसको हम मशीन लैंग्वेज से मैच कराएंगे. फर्स्ट जनरेशन लैंग्वेज इज आल्सो नोन एज मशीन लैंग्वेज. सेकेंड इज बाइनरी नंबर्स. स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू ऑल नो, बाइनरी नंबर्स आर 0 and 1. बाइनरी नंबर्स आपके होते हैं 0 and 1. Okay, first and this one is second. बाइनरी नंबर्स को आपको मैच करना है 0 and 1 से. थर्ड आपका है रेंज. रेंज यहाँ पे देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, ऑप्शन नंबर ए रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है रेंज. C11 to D12 ये आपका रेंज है. रेंज हमेशा जो है रेशियो में रिप्रेजेंट करता है A1 रेशियो B1। ये क्या है? सेल रेंज है। सेल रेंज फ्रॉम A1 टू B1। ओके। ऑटोफिल is a predefined series। ऑटोफिल is a predefined series। ऑप्शन नंबर E से मैच करेंगे आप। एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, फार्मूला is always begin with equal to sign। okay, here you can see equal to A1 ratio B1 ratio C1। a formula is always begin with equal to sign। okay, function is built-in formulas। okay, इस तरह से आप मैच करेंगे। फर्स्ट जनरेशन लैंग्वेज इज नोन एज मशीन लैंग्वेज। बाइनरी नंबर्स 0 एंड 1 होते हैं। रेंज आपका हमेशा रेशियो में रिप्रेजेंट करता है, जैसे C11 रेशियो B12, ये सेल रेंज होगा। ऑटोफिल आपका प्री डिफाइंड सीरीज होता है। फार्मूला हमेशा आपका इक्वल टू साइन से शुरू होता है, जैसे इक्वल टू A1 प्लस B1 प्लस C1। एंड फंक्शन आपका क्या होता है? बुल्ट इन फार्मूलाज होते हैं। ठीक है, क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ कम टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन। Second question is, expand the following short form। Expand the following short form। okay, in this question number first is HLL, question number second is AI, question number third is LLL, question number 4 is 2GL, and question number 5 is PT। okay, students, you have to tell me what is the full form of HLL। write your answer in the comment box if you know the full form of HLL, if you know the full form of AI, if you know the full form of LLL, and if you know the full form of second GL, and if you know the full form of PT, then write your answer in the comment box। Students, HLL is stands for high level language। okay, AI is stands for artificial intelligence। artificial intelligence। and LLL is stand for low level language। and second GL is stand for second generation language। and PT is stand for petabyte। okay students, these are the full form I have taken from chapter 1, 2 and 3। these all are the very important for your upcoming examination, so student, you have to learn it। HLL is stand for high level language, AI is stand for artificial artificial intelligence. LLL is stand for low level language. Second GL is stand for second generation language, and PT is stand for petabyte. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question, that is question number 3. Question number 3 is, write the shortcut key combination for the following operation in MS Excel. Okay. First is to copy data. Second is to open the delete dialog box, to open the delete dialog box. Third is to enter data in multiple lines in same cell. And the question number 4 is to minimize a workbook. And the question number 5 is to expand or collapse the formula one. Okay friends, here I have written some description of shortcut keys. You have to write the shortcut keys from they belong to. Okay. Question number first is to copy data. Student, the shortcut key to copy data is Control plus C. Okay. Second is to open the delete dialog box. Student, to open the delete dialog box, shortcut key is Control plus minus. Okay. To enter data in multiple lines in the same cell, the shortcut key is Alt plus Enter. Okay. Alt plus Enter is the shortcut key is used to enter data in a multiple lines in same cell. Fourth is to minimize a workbook. Student, to minimize a workbook, we have to press Ctrl plus F9. Ctrl plus F9 is the shortcut key to minimize a workbook in MS Excel. Question number 5 is to expand or collapse the formula bar. Just you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus U. Okay, this is the shortcut key. Ctrl plus Shift plus U is used to expand or collapse the formula bar. Clear, students? I hope you all are understand. Now the next practice set, that will be practice set 4, I will explain tomorrow in my next video lecture. Till then, students, goodbye. Thank you for watching my video, students. Bye bye everyone.